guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today we have another little cheeky review from the company Uoobox, and I have worked with them before, so when they reached out to me again and asked if I wanted to try their Constellation Zodiac wigs, you know I'm a big fan of wigs. I have hundreds of wigs and I am always on the lookout for new, fun, and colorful ones to add to my collection. So of course, we said yes, and so I'm here today to review them for you guys. So here they are. They all came in this like cute, like constellation whale moon star box, which I thought was super cute. So I have 4 of them here to review for you guys. So we're just gonna get right into it. I don't actually remember which ones I picked. I remember one, but that's about it. So like, this is gonna be a fun little unboxing and haul, just as much for you guys as it is for me. All right, so we're just gonna go one by one. So here we go. Ba ba ba. Ooh, 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 pretty. I love this color. It's like a fiery orange. So first off, we love the celestial whale moon star packaging, but another thing I really love about good wig safe and keeping is when they put this like cardboard thing here, because you don't want the scalp part to get crushed. So I always keep my wigs in this if they come with them, and then it does come with a wig cap there. So I don't know why, like I kind of did my hair, I kind of didn't, because I knew we were going to be trying these on. So I'm gonna go throw on a wig cap off camera and then we're gonna try these on together. All right, so now that I am kind of bald, I got my cap on, I'm currently wigless, about to not be. This feels really nice. It's really soft and I'm really excited for the bang length. I don't know how many times I've stressed in angry wig videos on how much I hate having to cut the bangs. I personally am not great at styling wigs, so when they come pre-styled and pre-good length of bangs, that makes your girl happy. So in the wig, it does have the adjusters here at the back. Ooh, there's one, there's 2, and then all these ones here, it has just got the mesh net under there. I'm getting it all tangled, so before I completely tangle this, like, look at the color. Let's get this on. So I'm gonna stick it a few in on either side because that's generally where I stick mine. And then I like to go from the back to the front, but everyone's different. Some people like do the flip down, flip up. That is not how I like to go. I like to put it on and then pull the back and then fluff it out. Ooh, ooh, oh, ooh. This is such a cute color. It looks so much more fiery in the actually no, it's still pretty fiery, but I think it's a little bit more in the camera. Ooh, ooh. We love, also this is probably like my favorite hair length on myself. This is super cute. Should we get a little back? Little commotion for the back? Okay, I am super in love with this wig. I can't wait to do like make an outfit for this. We're gonna do a style video for these wigs too. I think that's what needs to happen. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I just went and I showed, like I took some selfies and I sent them off to my peeps, my work peeps, and I just went and showed my family downstairs and they're like, yes, this color suits you. So what do we think? Ooh, so cute. Ta-da! Okay, let's move on to the next one. All right, moving on to our next one. Here we go. Bum, ba-da-da. I feel like opening the briefcases on like that show. Ooh, ooh, okay, this one I was really excited for. Oh my gosh, okay, it's gradient, like a pinky with red. I'm very excited. Oh my gosh, okay. Here we go, and then same thing, we've got the cardboard wig cap, nice bag to store it in. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. The curls. I'm gonna be so sad when eventually they kind of like curl out, but I know you can use low heat on most synthetic wigs. Just do your research, Google them. Most of them can do like really low heat, so if they ever came out, you can stick them back in. This, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And again, it's got the adjusters right here at the bottom. So I'm just gonna set mine to a few in on either side. Oh, and the bangs are looking, the bangs are looking good. I can't, the color. And she's soft. She really soft. You know I'm a sucker for a soft wig. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. Okay, and we got that in place. Pull and tuck. Right, there we go. Oh my gosh. I love it. Oh my gosh, the curls. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait, we're gonna do a little 360. So here's the front. I am in love with this wig. It really gives me like a little strawberry shortcake vibes. Are we all feeling that? Like the pink and the red? I think when we do the style video, I think we're gonna strawberry shortcake this, because oh my gosh, this might be my favorite one. I love them both so far. I'm living my best life. These are super cute, but I love this. I love the curls. Look at the curls. They're so cute. I love it. All right, let's move on to the next one. Y'all know the drill. What is it gonna be? Ooh, okay. This will be my second ever pure white wig, and I am very excited about that. I mean, I have like almost white. It's like a gray wig, but not like a pure white. And I just think pure white wigs, you can do a lot of really fun things with them. So I'm very excited about this one. And if I remember correctly, it's a long one. Ooh, whereas my other one I think is like, no, I think it's long too, but it's like long curly, whereas this is just long straight. Oh my gosh, this is so soft. I feel like I'm caressing like a marshmallow. Probably just because of its white. Oh my gosh. This is so, wait, can we look how like flowy this is? This is so nice. So this is probably gonna come just below the bosom. And again, just like the other ones, we have the adjustable straps in here, and the wig cap part here is lighter, as it is a lighter colored wig, whereas the other ones I believe were like black and brown. So as per the drill, we're gonna stick this a few in. I love wigs. They're so fun. You can create so many different like personas. Alright, get that tucked up. I feel really powerful right now, like girl bossing. Can you imagine the like bougie like ass outfit that I could create with this? Like, I feel like I'm almost having like a Jeffree Star moment in one of his wigs. Can we please? Oh my gosh, okay. I can't stop doing this because it's so soft. It's not like scratchy on my head, which is fantastic, because that is something that would drive me absolutely bonkers. And I also feel like there's got to be a cosplay character that I can use this wig for. Oh. I'm like, I literally can't stop doing this though. Okay, should we do a little 360? So yeah, it does come probably just below the bosoms, but ooh. I'm literally in love with this wig. It is so pretty, it is so soft. The bangs are a little on the thin side, so definitely like if it's windy and your bangs go flying, have a comb with you. Have a comb. I actually had to go brush them out, but like, can we? I can't. I'm so excited to create outfits that go with these wigs. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Okay, let's move on to the last wig. All right, last one. Ooh, it's the one with purple. Ooh, yes. I vaguely remember this. Ooh, do we see a little sneak of purple? Do we see it? Ooh. All right, here we go. I'm very excited. This is for my cute grungy aesthetic. This will go cute with some adorable sweaters. I feel like this wig also gives like major K-pop vibes, so just saying. All right, so here is the last wig. So it has a little bit of purple in here. Not sure how showy that's gonna be. Also, I didn't realize, because online and kind of on the camera as well, it looks black, but I would say this is like a very, very dark, like chocolate brown. Very, very dark. I don't know if I bring it closer. Yeah, you can kind of tell it's brown, but this is definitely a brown, and then it's got a little bit of purple here. Ooh, and it is much darker on camera than it is in real life. In here, it is definitely a lighter kind of purple. But again, same thing, we've got the adjusters. Oh, and this one actually has some safety combs. So this, here we go. These guys right here, which you just kind of like shove in to keep your wig secure, and it does have 3 of them. So there's 2 on the front here, and then the 1 guy on the back. But let's see. Oh, the bangs are looking good as well. And this is like a cute bob, a short-ish long bob one. Let's get this all done up so that we can try her on. Here we go. Oh my gosh. What do we think? So the purple's kind of really hidden by the top layer, which is like a little bummer, but we can get over that. I mean, like if you like tied it or styled it, you could definitely see it, and you can definitely see the purple in the bangs. Not super well on camera, but in person you can definitely see the purple. But like, this is cute. Ooh, ooh. Maybe I should dye my hair black. Probably not. I'll just wear this wig because, well, it's like dark chocolate brown, like really, really dark, almost black. Basically black. I don't know if I dye my hair black though, because like that seems like a lot of work to undo, but this is super cute. I love this. I'm feeling like Jessie J, like the girl who sang Dominoes. I feel like she had this haircut and it was super cute. I always thought it was. This is so cute. Okay, little 360, little commotion for the wig. Woo! This is super cute. I'm having like a cute, oh my gosh, like a cute little Edna moment from like The Incredibles. No kips. I love this. This is so cute. I like that this part too, there's like a little bit of a shorter bit on either side, and I love that it like frames the face. I'm currently growing my bangs out for that exact reason. So yeah, oh my gosh, this is really cute. We love. Alright guys, so what did we think of the wigs? I'm so obsessed. I can't wait to do a follow-up with the style video. But if you want to scoop up any of these adorable wigs, all the links will be in the description below. As well, Uoobox has hooked me up with a discount code for you guys. So you can use code CheekySparkles for 15% off your order. Which, I mean, like, I think I need the rest of their celestial wigs. These were so pretty and so like soft, and the quality was really great for the price, and the bangs were the right length. You don't need to do any cutting. They sit properly on the forehead, which is like a big stress that I have when I get wigs online, because like normally the bangs come to like here and you have to trim them. So thank you Uoobox for having wigs that are proper length, and thank you again for sending me them. I'm so excited to do a style video, so stay tuned for that guys. I love you a lot, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!